The Charter College Dental Assisting Program can prepare you to work in this hands-on, people-focused healthcare field in 10 months. Dental assistants support the work of dentists, helping with dental procedures and treatments. Duties include taking patient histories and vitals, sterilizing dental instruments and equipment, taking and developing dental x-rays, and educating patients about oral hygiene. You can enroll with confidence knowing Charter College is institutionally accredited by the Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools. Students receive instruction in chairside assisting procedures through lecture, hands-on lab work, and online study. They are also taught basic front office procedures and complete a 180-hour externship at a dental facility. Armed with the skills and knowledge to launch an entry-level dental assisting career, graduates may choose to work in a dental office, dental clinic, or hospital dental clinic. Wherever they go, Charter College graduates are ready to get to work on day one.